Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily plug in your 3.5mm jack headphones into GameSir G8 Galileo. So first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the phone here. So let me quickly do that. And now the phone is here. As you guys can see, the switches are up. And if we want to use it, what we can do is simply grab the 3.5mm jack and try and put it right here. Now, as you guys can see, this headset is connected. Now we can use it to play. And what else can we do here is, of course, to make it a full combo, we can plug it also into charging. And this is how we can easily play with this controller. So, that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.